So let's talk about myths or facts on doing a renovation loan. All right, they take forever to close. Well, that's a myth. I can close a renovation loan if there's no structural work or drawings needed in 45 days. If you're doing structural or an addition and drawings are needed, they take 60 days to close. So they take forever to close is definitely a myth. How about they don't close at all? That's another myth, because I close probably on average 10 a month. So obviously we're closing renovation loans. When they don't close, it's probably because you're using a lender who's not familiar with how to do them, doesn't know the proper stages. I'm a specialist. I opened up the program here at my company over 12 years ago, and I've done renovation for over 20 years. So you definitely want to make sure that who you're working with does a lot of these and has material for you to understand. If they're not providing you anything significantly up front in the first 2 days you're talking with them, they're probably just doing 1 or 2 of these a year, and it's not going to go very well for you. How about lenders don't know how to do them? That is actually a fact. Many lenders don't know how to do them, or they don't even offer them at all. So be careful. I call it buyer beware on your lender. Oh, I can do that. Things are a little bit slower right now for lenders. They're trying to take on any loan that they can just to get income in their door. But if they don't do renovation loans, that's not where you want to be. You definitely want to be with someone who specializes in them and does many of them, because they're definitely different than a move-in ready home. Another myth that you're going to hear about, sellers don't want to accept a renovation offer. In some cases, that's true. If there's 10 offers on a home and 9 are not renovation, and you have your only, offer is renovation, they're probably not going to accept your offer. But many homes are out there just sitting untouched, no offers on them, ready to be negotiated. Those are the type of properties that are very easy to get the seller to accept the renovation loan. I give them information on how we're going to do it. I send them my timeline. I send the listing agent all the information, and then I update them every month. If you're clear with your communication with your agents and attorneys, if you're an attorney state, they will accept your offer. They just need to understand that your lender knows what they're doing. And then the final thing, myth or fact, realtors understand the program. That's more of a myth, because realtors don't always understand the program. Some of them have never heard of this program. They're new to maybe being a realtor, or they've been in the real estate business. And for the past few years, there really weren't many renovation loans being accepted because the market was crazy. People were paying cash and then refinancing into renovation. So it's also educating the realtors to know that this program exists. And if they have a distressed listing, that they can actually get a financed offer that can close in the next couple of months. So trust me, there's a lot of things you're going to read on the internet that aren't true. If you have any questions on how to get a renovation loan, how to get your loan accepted, feel free to reach out to me. Remember, I'm here for all your mortgage needs. While I do renovation lending, I also do move-in ready. So if you're unsure whether you want to get a fixer-upper or a move-in ready, I can handle both. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more news, market updates, and opportunities to save money.